The motor is good, just letting you guys know off the bat. It's a good motor. It looks kind of ugly. It definitely missed a few oil changes, but overall it's a good motor. Here is the motor, guys. Here is the block. We have this thing completely disassembled right now. I'm gonna show you guys this. You can see in every cylinder spots. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And before this video starts, I just want to say I am sorry that I haven't uploaded a video in probably like, I think it's been, by the time this video goes up, it'll probably be like 2 weeks. Holy shit, no way. Oh my god. Hopefully I'll try to upload it a little bit before the 2-week mark, but as of recording this, it's been 10, I think, maybe 11 days since the last video, and that's a little bit too long. So, in the premise of the previous video, I talked to you guys about the LT1 motor that we got for the 96 Firebird Trans Am up front, that green one. We've done some work on it. The motor is good, just letting you guys know off the bat. It's a good motor. It looks kind of ugly. It definitely missed a few oil changes, but overall it's a good motor, especially compared to what's in it right now, the C's motor. So let me just show you guys that. Here is the motor, guys. Here is the block. We have this thing completely disassembled right now. Literally everything. I'm kind of mad I didn't like film any of it, but like this camera doesn't do time lapse. It took too long for it to like fit on this thing's SD card. And I don't have a GoPro to like do a time lapse or just like pop on my head or whatever and film me, you know, tearing this whole thing apart. And my phone does, but like I still don't think it would have enough memory to do all that. Let me show you guys this. This motor, I believe, was sitting, it had to have been sitting for a little bit at least, because you can see in every cylinder, I'm trying to find it, spots right there at the bottom, right there at the top. There's a little bit of rust at the bottom. You can see right there. See the rust down there? Some rust in it a little bit. It's not bad at all. Really, I mean, like the valley up here, I mean, it's in pretty good condition. There was some crud, but I mean, we did get majority of the crud out. There wasn't too much. The passageways are crusty as shit. Like, look at that. The passageways are all rusty. This is just old, you know, gasket material left behind. But like, all in all, it's a pretty good block. Even the bottom end bearings on the main caps right here actually in seriously good condition, considering, you know, if this motor did have, let's say 80, he said it had 80,000 miles on it. We're thinking it's a little more than that, but they're still pretty good for, you know, that much mileage. The cam, pretty damn good. I think there was one bad spot. I forget what lobe it was on. If you guys can see that, I don't know if you can. I can't even see what you guys are saying, but there's a bad spot on this cam somewhere. But we're not even using that cam because that would be gay. We're gonna be going with like a semi-thumpy cam. Again, it's kind of for power reasons, but more likely, I love the sound of a cam motor, obviously. Who doesn't? So why the hell not go with it? We'll try to get somebody who can tune an LT1. Like I said before, that LT1 over there going in my Trans Am right there won't even have any of the, you know, the LT1 computer on it. It won't be running any of that stuff. It'll be running its own like Holley EFI, all the different type shit. It's not gonna be running anything like that. But all in all, motor was very, very good. We thought it was gonna be, you know, like kind of poopy, but we'd still build it anyway. That's pretty good. It might just need a hone. I don't know. The rust spots at the bottom of the cylinders. He might need to do a little more than hone. He might have to do it over like, I don't really know the increments too well, but not too much if I were to assume. All the pistons were fine. All the bearings on every piston are fine. All the piston skirts were fine. I think it was one skirt that was rubbing a little bit. I forget which piston it was. We finished tearing this apart like 3 days ago, I think, here. So, not 100% which one exactly, was bad. Or, not good, I guess you could say. Bad's kind of a bad word for that. Motor is apart. We have to get the heads off of the green Firebird, which is outside right now. We have to take the heads off that because we're taking this block, everything, so like crank, everything. We're taking everything over to the machine shop, including the aluminum heads, not the iron ones. We pulled off this one because why would you want an iron head? But we're taking all that to the machine shop. Hopefully they don't take too extremely long on it. We'll get it back here, order the cams, bearings, everything for it. Slap it together, put the heads on it, finish up buttoning the motor up, go outside, yank the frozen block out of the one that's currently in it right now. Probably just throw it right here in the pile of motors. Literally, it's just a pile of motors. There's an LS right here. There's a 350 back there. There's a few transmissions just kind of scattered around. So it'll probably just end up back there. Unless we somehow figure out to unseize it, then maybe sell it, I don't know. But yeah, slap all of it together and we'll have one pretty I'd say pretty damn good for the price, badass burnout slash kind of drift car, I guess you could say. We have to go with a different, like this totally different suspension. It needs tires. The wheels are kind of ugly on it, but that's all in due time. Tires, obviously, that'd be number one, but that's probably gonna be it for the premise of today's video, guys. Again, I'm sorry that it was kind of a short video. I'm also sorry that I haven't uploaded in a little bit here, but don't worry, more videos are coming. Monte Carlo videos. Hopefully you can go to the drag strip and see what it can run on the quarter mile, see what it can 60 foot, all the other shit. Maybe even the Cobalt. I'll run the Cobalt on the track. I don't know. Just whatever the hell I want to run. Four-wheeler content. It's a nice time of year now. My allergies are bad, but they're gonna have to go suck a dick because I'm gonna still have fun. Again, this is probably more the time we're gonna be thinking about getting the GoPro here. But then again, I don't know. Before, what I did is I literally just had my phone right here with that helmet you guys saw. If you guys didn't see the video, go watch it. But like, I just have the phone right here on my face with a piece of tape running up the face plate of that helmet. And I just, that's what it is. That's just what I do. All those videos coming, Trans Am videos coming here pretty soon. There needs to be more of me because I can't do that and then do this at the exact same time. So this has kind of been put on the back burner for like, I think 3 weeks here. Obviously an effort to get this car, the green one outside going because we're not doing body work on it. It's just a quick, buy a motor, fix it, throw it together, pull the old motor out, put the new one in, hook everything up because it's the exact same wiring harness. It's the exact same motor. So just hook everything up, throw it in the car, start it, drive it, and then I'll get back to focus on this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all y'all in the next one.